As fingers are being pointed to miners in the Northwest District region as being the cause of a recent gastroenteritis outbreak in the area, Health Minister Dr Bheri Ramsaran said the Chief Medical Officer Dr Shamdir Prasad and a team of public health experts have been dispatched to the affected area. Dr Ramsaran said the main focus now is to prevent the spread of the disease, which has so far claimed the lives of 3 individuals from the mining district.
We are encouraging the community to indulge in basic public health measures like sanitation, hygiene. Flyers are passing around about boiling water, protecting water, and such issues. Samples from the contaminated or potentially contaminated areas, sources of water like the river, like wells and so on, has been taken. And so far the results are not encouraging because they're definitely indication of contaminants. The definite diagnosis as such, we'll ask you to be patient while we continue to work on it. We do not want to, there's no case for panic, it's not cholera for example.
The miners are being blamed for improperly disposing their human waste and contaminating their water supply, a charge they have since rejected. Dr Ramsaran said so far water and body samples were taken and brought to Georgetown for testing. Capital News understands that persons are still turning up at the Port Kaituma Hospital suffering from vomiting and diarrhea. But the minister said the regional health centers and clinics can deal with the affected individuals.
There might be visiting doctors there and doctors resident, but the mainstay is the community health worker and the medics. Sometimes more senior medics or doctors visit these areas, so to give guidance. Like in this case, there is an outbreak, we sent in a full-fledged team. Like for example, shortly another team will be leaving for Mazaruni to repeat a visit which we did about a month ago when there was a shout, a false alarm about an outbreak of malaria at the Omaradong school.
There was a similar outbreak some 3 years ago at Maruka, which claimed the lives of several people. Public health officials had blamed the bacteria E. coli as the cause of the outbreak. Leroy Adolphus, Capital News.